The only certainty is uncertainty. While this wise phrase covers many different aspects of our lives, it rings more accurate than ever in today's financial climate. Stocks and assets that once provided soaring profits are retreating and losing value. And tried and true industries are not immune to financial upheaval. While surges and recessions are part of our typical economic cycle, it can be challenging to determine when we hit the top or the bottom of the ride. The million-dollar question all our professionals at Exodus Capital are getting asked every day is it smart to buy stocks when the market is down? The answer? Well, it's complicated. And the correct solution for you depends on your circumstances and what age and stage of life you're in. On the one hand, buying when the market is down is kind of like when a brand you love has a clearance sale. You may not get another chance to invest in big tech stocks, healthcare, or manufacturing at such a reasonable price. If you've got a long way to go before retirement, you may want to consider stocking up. Pun totally intended. On the other hand, for those of you inching closer to ending your 9-to-5s, you may want to err on the side of caution before adding additional funds to buying in now. Why? Every dollar counts, and with inflation, your dollar isn't going as far these days. Volatility is high right now, and since we can't wholly predict which companies will make it back to the top, the risk is high. Some random world event could pop up and derail your best-laid investment plans. Do you really want to chance your spare capital on an unknown? Maybe you do, and maybe you don't. There's a reason they say slow and steady wins the race. No matter our current conditions, we here at Exodus Capital always suggest creating a long-term plan and sticking to it. Regardless of global conditions, recessions, or depressions, investing in the stock market long-term always sees positive returns in the long run. The day traders, or people focused on short-term gains, struggle with the most anxiety when it comes to buying and selling. Before you choose whether or not buying the dip is for you, consult one of our financial experts to educate yourself on the best course of action. And, speaking of education, if you want to learn all the ins and outs of investing in stocks, we urge you to enroll in our Paper Assets, Stocks and Shares course. To learn more, follow the link below.